Every year, the Montana Supreme Court takes a few of its oral arguments on the road. On Friday, they came to the University of Montana campus in Missoula for a case that centers on the language of state water law and what it means for mining operations.
All rise and give your attention to the Honorable Justices of the Montana Supreme Court.
An audience was on hand in the Montana Theater as attorneys for both sides made their cases, and the justices asked questions of their own. The case deals with the Black Butte Copper Project, a planned underground mine north of White Sulphur Springs. Last month, the Supreme Court upheld the mine's operating permit in a separate case. Here, environmental groups argued the operators should have had to get an additional water permit because they're planning to pump groundwater out of the mine site while work goes forward. But Montana DNRC determined a permit wasn't required because the water wasn't for a, quote, beneficial use. The environmental groups contested that decision and said it meant there wasn't enough analysis on how the dewatering would affect nearby streams and other water users.
They have to demonstrate that there will be no adverse effect to an existing rights holder. That burden belongs to them, not the state, not the existing rights holder. And so the moment for these requirements to be enforced is actually right now.
Attorneys for the mine operators said they aren't using the water, just getting it out of the way. And DNRC said they don't see any authority under the law to require a permit in this case.
DNRC's interpretation of the law has been characterized as a loophole. And I'd say it's not a loophole, it's actually the limit of the law.
This concludes the argument on this, what I think most of us would agree is an extremely interesting and important case. Thank you to all counsel. We will take this matter under advisement and issue an opinion in due course.
The court has also scheduled an oral argument at Montana State University next month. In Missoula, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.